Talagang binibigyan lang po talaga kami dito. Alam mo, mabuhi din dito sa Davao, day. Oh, yan. Bigay po sa amin ito, guys. Thank you, Rona. Aiko family, thank you for the mangosteen. And also to Alex and family dyan lang sa ibabaw. Sa among, yan, rambutan, guys. Rambutan, okay? So, salamat kayo niya ni mga prutasa. Salamat kayo ni mga prutasa, mga bay. Wala, sobraan ako. Luy ah. Won't go away. Yeah. Siguro akong viewers magkakakurat-kuratan. Hello guys, thank you so much for watching to my live, guys. Okay, thank you so much for being here talaga. I really appreciate your presence here. Thank you so much, Bernadette Alconte and Sardinia family, for my super chat this live. Thank you so much, everyone. And to Sir Tom Skill of England, I miss you. Oh. And to Mr. Gowie, I hope you're doing fine, Mr. Gowie. And to Sir Ram Del Nasser, my condolence po, Sir Ram Del Nasser, okay? And also to Soledad, thank you so much for always supporting me. And also to Sir Badakar Pramod of Kerala, India. Thank you so much to all of you guys for always supporting to my channel. And to Mr. Ken Balena, ayan, si Sir Ken. Of course, nandiyan yan talaga si Sir Ken. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga super thanks ninyo. Sarap. Sa lahat ng mga super thanks ninyo, and to my cousin, Shang Melissa Abel, thank you so much for my super sticker comment today. Dalawa po talagang pinadala niya sa akin, guys, for sending me thanks to my sticker comment. Thank you po talaga, Shang Melissa Abel. Kasin ko po yan. Kasin ko po yan, na pinakamaganda kong kasin na taga Cagayan de Oro, Diklom, taga Cagayan, Diklom, Manolo, Portich, Bukidnon. Okay? Si Siyang Melissa Ibol. Yan po ang YouTube channel niya. And thank you so much for dropping here in my live tonight, August 24, 2024. Mary JC. Oh my gosh. Si Mary JC, guys. Nabuhay na si Mary JC. Thank you so much, Mary JC. Thank you so much for being here in my live. And also to Ben is my name from New York. Thank you so much for being here in my live today. Ayan. So, I don't know. And so, of course, Bernadette Alconte and Sardinia family, thank you so much for everything, for sharing your blessing with me. And thank you so much for the super chat today. Oh my God, ang sarap-sarap talaga ng live, guys. Pag meron talaga mga ganyan, okay? Yung nagtatapon ng mga grasya sa atong live, guys. Salamat kay sa inyo, ha. God bless you more. And po si Ram Del Nasser right now is it's not okay, but Sir Ram, I miss you here. My God, hindi ka na naparamdam sa akin sa live, Sir Ram. Pero ngayon, naintindihan kita because si Sir Ram po talaga ay he's grieving at the moment, guys, okay? Kasi nawalan siya na, alam mo yung mga tao ng mga special people talaga sa life natin, kung sino talaga yung nandyan during, your childhood, yung sila yung big part sila sa life nyo. It's because po talaga wala kayo ngayon kung wala yan sila noon. Okay? Yung moments talaga sa mga life natin na nag-i-struggle tayo. Okay guys, nag-i-struggle tayo, yung mga tao na andyan. Hindi po, masakit po talaga yan. Parang, pag yan sila ay namamaalam na, yan po sila ay namamaalam niya. Talagang, ang sakit. Parang nagigilty lang tayo kasi, siguro minsan, ano rin tayo na, it hurts kasi, if only because, if only like, we can serve them for lifetime, like, hindi talaga natin sila kayang, yung utang na loob na pinakita nila sa atin, guys, is never talaga natin na mababayaran yan. Okay? So, ganun talaga yan. Kasi habang tumatanda din po sila. So, yung pag-care na lang talaga, guys, no, diyan natin binabawi, pero it's not enough for